ABC Magic Songs.
A is for alligator, A, alligator, A, alligator, A, alligator. B is for bear, B, bear, B, bear, B, bear. C is for cat, T, cat, cat, cat. D is for dog, D, dog, D, dog, dog. E is for elephant, E, elephant, E, elephant, elephant. F is for frog, F, frog, F, frog, frog, frog. G is for goat, G, goat, goat, goat. H is for horse, H, horse, horse, a horse. I is for iguana, I, iguana, I, iguana, I, iguana. J is for jellyfish, J, jellyfish, J, jellyfish, J, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, K, kangaroo, K, kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, a lion, L, a lion, lion. M is for monkey, 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 monkey. N is for newt, N, newt, newt, newt. O is for owl, O, owl, O, owl, owl. P is for penguin, P, penguin, P, penguin, penguin. Q is for quail, Q, quail, Q, quail, quail. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit, R, rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, S, snake, S, snake, snake. T is for tiger, T, tiger, T, tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella bird, U, umbrella bird, U, umbrella bird, U, umbrella bird. V is for vulture, V, vulture, V, vulture, vulture. W is for whale, W, whale, W, whale, whale. X is for X-ray fish, X-ray fish, X-ray fish, X-ray fish. Y is for yak, Y, yak, Y, yak, yak. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra, Z, zebra, zebra.
Red like a shiny apple tree, yellow like the sunshine we see, blue like the sky up high, green like the grass nearby. Colors all around, it's in the air and on the ground. Let's sing and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. Oh, purple like a blooming flower. Oh, orange like a sweet and sour. Blue pink like fluffy cotton candy. Eco brown like a teddy bear so handy. Colors all around in the air and brown like a teddy bear so handy. Learn and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. The black like the lips of tea. The white like the snowy sea. Gray like a cloudy day. The colors show us the way. The colors all around in the air and around like the city bear so handy. Hurry and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. I is for ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. Word B is for bus, bus, bus. Bar C is for car, car, car. Bar D is for detour, detour. A is for engine, engine.
F is for fairy, fairy.
G is for garage, garage. A is for highway, highway. Is for intersection, intersection. G,
motorcycle. N is for navigation, navigation, navigation. O is for overpass, overpass, overpass. N is for parking, 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 parking. Q, 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 Q. R is for road, road. S is for stop sign, so stop sign, stop sign. T is for traffic light, traffic light, traffic light. U is for U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. V is for vehicle, vehicle. W is for wheel, wheel. X is for Xing, X. R is for yield, yield. Z is for zebra crossing, zebra crossing, zebra crossing.
ABC Magic Songs.
Apples are always awesome. Apples are always awesome. Bears like to eat big berries. Bears like to eat big berries. Cats can climb quickly. Cats can climb quickly. The ducks dive down in the water. Ducks dive down in the water. Elephants enjoy eating peanuts. Elephants enjoy eating peanuts. Frogs feel funny and jump far. Frogs feel funny and jump far. Giraffes grow gracefully and tall. Giraffes grow gracefully and tall. Horses have hooves and hairy manes. Horses have hooves and hairy manes. Ice cream is incredibly interesting. Ice cream is incredibly interesting. Jelly beans jump joyfully in jars. Jelly beans jump joyfully in jars. Kangaroos kick and keep hopping. Kangaroos kick and keep hopping. Lions like lounging in the sun. Lions like lounging in the sun. Monkeys make marvelous moves. Monkeys make marvelous moves. Nightingales nest near nature. Nightingales nest near nature. Owls observe openly at night. Owls observe openly at night. Penguins play and paddle in pools. Penguins play and paddle in pools. Quails quietly quiver in the quagmire. Quails quietly quiver in the quagmire. Rabbits run rapidly around. Rabbits run rapidly around. Snakes slither silently in the sand. Snakes slither silently in the sand. Turtles take their time traveling. Turtles take their time traveling. Umbrellas unfold under the rain. Umbrellas unfold under the rain. Violets are very vibrant and violet. Violets are very vibrant and violet. Whales swim in wide waters.
what will swim in wide waters. Xylophones make exciting sounds. Xylophones make exciting sounds. Why yaks yell loudly in the yard? Yaks yell loudly in the yard. Zebras zigzag in the zoo. Zebras zigzag in the zoo.
Red, red like a shiny apple tree. Yellow, yellow like the sunshine we see. Blue, blue like the sky up high. Green, green like the grass nearby. Colors, colors all around. It's in the air and on the ground. Let's sing and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. Oh, purple, purple like a blooming flower. Oh, orange, orange like a sweet and sour. Blue, pink, pink like fluffy cotton candy. Pink and brown, brown like a teddy bear so handy. Colors, colors all around in the air and round. Brown like the teddy bear so handy. Learn and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun.